Hey everybody, today we have here another iPhone. This came to me that was showing there was no service and was not into the IMEI of the phone. So it's going to show you uh, the SIM card is already inside of it. So I'm gonna put it back together. Let me just put the code to unlock and the pin of the SIM card. It unlocks, and then as you can see, if I just zoom him a little bit. Okay. If I just zoom, it doesn't show any network. Sometimes it shows like SIM card is blocked. Other times not, just no service. If I check the IMEI number, it doesn't show. If I press star pound 06 pound, it doesn't show any IMEI number. But we can see on the settings, on the informations, that the IMEI number is there, but it's still not working. So normally this is a common issue with the baseband, and what I'm going to try to do, since I don't have all the tools to do this, without removing the baseband chip, because I don't have the 3D stencils to reball the baseband chip, and of course I don't have all the tools to do that. So I will try to use the less equipment as possible, since I don't have like a quick hot air station, which is the best to remove these kind of components. So I just have a basic one. As you can see here, I have like a, it's got till 858 to the D plus. Doesn't do much thing, but at least it tries to do the basic jobs that I can do. And so let's give it a try. I will try now to do a jump wire on a different way, which I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. Okay, the next step that I want to try to do is, instead of removing the baseband chip, I'm going to try to use a jump wire just to put below on the specific pin of the iPhone. So I'm going to show you here. let's put a little bit of flux here to allow me to solder the tip of the solder iron. Okay. Let's turn on the solder iron. And then we're gonna just solder a little bit of the tip of the wire. Okay, it should be enough. So now what I'm going to do, let me just, I'm going to cut now the wire. I don't need to use everything, so let me see. Just something like this. A little bit more, a little bit more. See if you guys can see it. Anyways, let me just remove my image so you guys can see everything. Okay, so it will be here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put underneath where it's supposed to be the location of the pin. Okay, so I have now put the wire underneath the pin. going to do now is, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit a little bit on the section here of the baseband and see if the wire connects or do fuse between the pin and the jump wire. Okay, so it took a while, but I think it should be fine. Let me see. Okay, you guys can see it. Okay, so the second step will be, I'm going to jump the wire here on this hole, this second pin. Not sure if you can see it. Well, a little bit closer here, so you guys can see much better. I think it should be okay. So I'm gonna scratch a little bit. So I'm gonna scratch a little bit here, and then I'm gonna pass the wire and solder right here. This should be enough. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of flux. Okay. And now let's try to solder it. just I'm gonna let it cool it down, and I will come back to see what's going to happen, if it's working or not. Okay guys, so we are back. So as you can see, we have the Vodafone signal here, so it should be fine. I forgot to connect the antenna, so that's why it was not showing the signal. And if I press the star hash 06 hash, it will show you the IMEI number, which is good. Let me just try also to do a test on the phone call. Okay, so it's working. Okay guys, I hope you guys have liked this video. So doing the jumper wire on the let me show. It has been working without any problems. Guys, I hope this will give you a simple solution for people who doesn't have any advanced tools like me, for example. Normally what I have, which is good, is just the solder the flux. This one I bought from rossmanngroup.com, from Louis Rossmann, from the YouTube channel. I have this small solder iron. I bought this on Banggood, but you can buy it also as well in AliExpress or Amazon. This is a TS100, but you need to buy different tips depending on which work you want to do. What else? Then I have my small hot air workstation. I would like to buy a quick hot air station, but at the moment I don't have money to buy that. It's quite expensive for me, and of course I don't have the best microscope, but at least this will allow me to help me to check everything using the microsoldering. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Sorry if this has been like too long or not, depending on you guys. I think most of the people prefer to check the resolution as soon as possible, but for me it took a while. This is my first job doing the baseband repair. I'm really proud of what I have done this, and I hope this also give you help in case of this. I would like also if you can guys give me a comment, because I'm thinking about putting a UV green ink where I have put on that specific pin of the motherboard. Probably this should be a best solution in case if the wire decides to disconnect. I think I should have done that, but I don't have that kind of ink and the UV light to dry the ink. If you like it, just give me a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will try to give you more videos about this kind of repairs. I'll see you soon. Bye.